Hi friends, today I am going to sharing with you how to lighten and brighten your face using red sandalwood powder. For the first step, clean your face. Then you need 2 tablespoon gram flour, 1 tablespoon red sandalwood and some water. Then take all ingredients into the bowl and mix it well. Then apply into the face and let it dry. Now you can see after 10 minutes it dry. Then after 10 minutes wash off the plain water. Guys, this is a great anti-tan face mask. Deeply exfoliate your skin and remove suntan. So guys, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.